Hello guys, I want to show you today how to flash Nitrogen OS on your Redmi Note 3. First you have to go to the website which I have given in the description box below. Then visit that page. Go to the download page. Here is it. Go to the testing versions. Here is the page. Good. Click on 8.1. And see the latest zip file, latest ROM zip file, which is 20th of January 2018. Click on download, and your download will start. After downloading the ROM file, head on to the link that I have shared below in the description box. From there, click on Open GApps. You will see the dates of the builds. Go to the latest one is 19th of January. Click on ARM64, that is for Kenzo. Go for the Pico or the Nano. I prefer Pico because it's small in size and it goes very easy. After downloading the ROM file and the Open GApps, copy this to your mobile and put it in SD card audio internal storage. I will save it in SD card. After copying your ROM zip file and the Open GApps to your storage, head on to your mobile. So after copying your ROM file and the Open GApps, go to settings, go to about phone, system update, and go to recovery mode. Go to wipe, swipe to factory reset. Click on home, install, and find your zip file, the ROM and the GApps, Open GApps. I have stored it in SD card. Select the latest, the downloaded ROM, add zip file, 8.1 ARM64, Open GApps, swipe to install. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes for installation. After it's done, click on reboot. Here again it will take 2 to 3 minutes to boot up. This is the boot logo. That's awesome. This is how it looks like after getting booted up. Now I will finish the installation. Till then I have to pause it. So this is how it looks like after getting booted up and after finishing the settings. It's Oreo 8.1. Later I will send the battery backup. Now let's see if the VoLTE is working or not. So the VoLTE is working absolutely fine. According to me, this is the best ROM for Redmi Note 3. It's smooth and has very less bugs. I mean minimal bugs. You can go for a try. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.